So we've got one of these blade antennas for the Baofeng UV-5R. I also have some stuff to make comparison with. We've got some of these off-market high gain antennas, a couple different examples of these. So, adapters. So we're just going to do a quick demo. Right now we're tuned to 456.8125, which is one of the business band frequencies, which there was some activity on earlier. So this is FRS1. Do a SWR check. Should probably calibrate it first. Oh, there's somebody on this FRS1. Surprise, surprise. Yep, there's probably people caravanning. Sounds like we're talking about routes, so we will get off that channel. Look at that SWR. That's not good. Right, I'm holding it straight. That's much better. Let's see if it's still calibrated. Getting close. The problem with these HT antennas and testing the SWR is that you, meaning your body, are the counterpoise. So it's just under 1.5. So we're going to test, we just tested one of these blade antennas on FRS. Let me try one of these other ones here. We got Retivis, I think that's how you say it. Alright, we're still on FRS1. Let's go to FRS2. Set the SWR with the thing sitting there. Set the SWR, me holding it. See the field strength meter there too. Okay, so SWR calibrated for the Retivis, I think that's how you pronounce that, antenna on FRS channel 2. So this should be a true SWR reading now. And you're looking at 2.5. Let's see if that's calibrated again. Yep. 2.5. Almost 3, which is not good. So let's drop down to 420. Set it. Wow, look at what that did on that field strength. Yeah, so that is basically a perfect SWR at 420. So let's try 450. That's 450 megahertz, so almost flat SWR. So why does it jump up when I get to FRS? It's hearing that because I'm one channel down. Let me turn this monitor radio off. Alright, this is 462550. Still showing a 3-to-1 SWR on FRS. So let's try VHF, just for fun. This is MURS channel 5, 154.6.
Hi, coming up.
some more business band, business band activity on there.